Have like a really mascara-y, I don't know the word. Let me make sure I'm reading that right. $82. Oh my God. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the big boy. This is the BOXYLUXE for June 2020. This is a $50 seasonal subscription, so every 3 months. So, if you want to see what I got inside of the $50 subscription box, one of the most expensive subscription boxes that I do get, and if you want to see if is it worth it, then keep on watching. Alright, so this was news to me because I just got the email today. Today is Saturday that it was shipped, and then lo and behold, FedEx brought this to me. So that was the first time I ever got an email on the same day that it was delivered. So love that, because originally it said it wasn't going to be here till Tuesday. So pleasant surprise. I was going to upload my boxycharm today, but I put another poll on the community post, and you guys were more interested in what the BOXYLUXE for the June box, what I got. So that's what we're getting ready to do. Alright, so let's open her up and see what variation I got. Now, what do you guys think of my eye look? I went a little dark. I was going in with like orangey colors. Actually, this is the palette that I have on today. This is from Ace Beauty. This is the Quintessential palette. And at first, I was going in very light. I went in with this pink and with the orange. And then I just went smoky. I don't know what happened. And then on my lid, I do have the Stila glitter. It's called Dust Dawn or something like that. I'm trying to use that up before it dries out. But let's see what we got. So when you open her up, that's what it looks like. And I'm used to the boxes for the BOXYLUXE to be like long and like wide, you know. But this kind of reminds me of the premium box. So when you open it up, it does say boxycharm and it says Luxe on there. And that's what she looks like when you open her up. Alright, so the theme for this month is Oasis. I do have my BOXYCHARM premium box for the month of June. I'll leave that down below if you want to see what I got in that box. And I have variation 5 right there. Every time I hear the number 5, I think of that song. I got 5 on it. I'm not a singer. Who knows what that song is? Let me know down below. I believe it's from the 90s. Alright. So here is a sneak peek. That's enough. Alright, so the first thing that I see is this. I believe this was my choice item, and this is from Hallmark Collectibles, and this is a satin pillowcase. And let me show you what she looks like. So it looks like that. Came tied up. This is like plastic. And so you have this satin mask. So that's really, really pretty. And then you have the pillowcase. So it matches. I love these silk or satin, I don't know what it is, I'll read it. I think it's silk pillowcases because it's good for your hair and it's good for like your wrinkles. Like you don't wake up. You ever go to sleep and then you wake up and you have like lines on your face? So with this, it's really good. Now I have to hide this from my daughter because she'll take it if she sees it. So let's read up and see how much that is. So this set here is $50. It says it's non-absorbent fabric that reduces hair tangling and skin friction for the ultimate beauty sleep. Set includes one standard satin, so it's satin pillowcase with matching satin eye mask. Alright, so I picked this, but I'm really excited. So this then pays for the box, you know? Okay. The next thing I see are these things right here from Kylie Skin from Kylie Jenner. So we must have something from Kylie Jenner. If you use the code BOXY5, you get $5 off her skin collection. So I am seeing right here from Kylie Skin, this is a foaming face wash. So let's read up a little bit about it. So this is $24. It says our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, packaged with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. The gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. Now, when this came out, I never got it because I think she was like 19 or 20. When did this come out? Last year? And for me, because I am 44 years young, I don't want to get recommended from a 20-year-old for skincare products, you know? So that's what it looks like. And then it has the pump here, and then when you squeeze it, it comes out like a foam. All right, so since we got it in a subscription box, I'm definitely going to try it. So I'm definitely excited for that. I don't mind getting skincare, so I like that. The next thing we got, I see goes with this card here. So we have a Purlisse BB Cream SPF 30. So we have that. And this is in the shade Light. So let's see. It has a safety seal. And I don't mind using BB creams. There are days that I just want to go like really, really light. So let's see how it matches. Okay, let me put the cap back on. Oh, and it matches like perfect. Well, at least for my hand. I don't know if it will be dark enough for my face, but I can always use bronzer. I'd rather it be too light than too dark. And when I rub it in, it goes completely in my hand. So we'll see. It's a BB cream, so it's not that thick, you know. It's not that full coverage, you know. So I'm definitely excited to try it. The next thing we got is from Billion Dollar Brushes. This is the charcoal brush set. Oh, you know what? I didn't tell you how much that BB cream is. Let's see. Wow, this says it's $35. I don't think I would pay $35. As you can see, when I squeezed a little bit out, let me turn this light down. As you can see, there's really not that much in there. It's not filled, if you guys can see. So I don't know if I would pay $35 for this. I mean, that's like high-end prices for me. My Double Wear by Estee Lauder is my favorite all-time foundation, and that's like 40-something. So I don't know if I would pay almost the same price for a BB cream, but we'll see. You know, I don't know how it works. All right, so the next thing we got is from the Billion Dollar Brow. This is the charcoal brush set. In my premium box, I did get a brush that was $30. Let's see how much this is. So you get 2 brushes in here. How much are they saying this is? Let's see. $55. Oh my God, these are expensive. Okay, so, and let me just tell you right from the door. I would not pay, I'm telling you right now, I would never pay $55 for this, because if you guys can see, this is so, I don't know if you can see, you have the hairs coming out, which that's okay with me, because once I wash it, you know, and I have those little things that you put on there to kind of hold it in place, so I'm not worried about that. But this does not seem like $25 brushes if they're both $55. I'm just estimating it, like, because it's way too soft. But my personal preference, I like more denser brushes, but this, it just does, I don't know. Let's see what the other one looks like. Oh, there's more than 2. Okay. So you have 5 altogether. Okay, I didn't see these small ones. All right, so we have this contour brush, which again, it's, I don't know. It reminds me of the one that I got yesterday, except for the one yesterday, it was like dual-ended. All right, so we have that. So this one was a powder brush. This is a contour brush. And then we have 3 eye brushes right here. And again, I don't know if I would pay $55 for this set, but that's just a personal preference. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you got these, let me know. And what did you think of these brushes? Now, I haven't tried them, so I don't know. The next thing we got is from Lily Lashes. These are the triple mascara. And you know, I didn't know that Lily Lashes has makeup. I thought they just had eyelashes. So I'm definitely excited to try this. This is $24. Just open her up. And that's what it looks, that's what it looks like. Let's see what the wand looks like. Okay, so it's just like a regular wand. why I smell it. Mascara smells like mascara, but some mascaras have like a really mascara-y, I don't know the word for it, that smell, but this one isn't too bad. But I'm definitely excited to try this. I love getting mascara. I still haven't found my like perfect mascara because I use like 2 or 3 different ones every time I do my mascara. Alright, the next thing is from Bodyography. This is a lip pencil and it is a 2-pack. And I'm looking to see if it has a shade. It doesn't have a shade. And this is $28 in Pouty and Rosewood. So the one of the caps is down there. So these are wooden ones, and I don't tend to like the wooden ones because they're more harder. I just use them on my waterline. I kind of like the gel ones, but let's see how it feels. Oh, wait a minute. This is lip, not eye pencil. Okay, never mind. I take that back. I don't mind if it's for the lip, and they're very, very pretty. I don't know why I was thinking for your eye. Yeah, I don't mind that then. And it's more sanitary when you have the wooden ones and you have to sharpen them when you use your lips. So, all right. I keep dropping stuff. Oh, my God. We'll leave that one on the floor for now. All right, we have 2 more things. The next thing is this from Malin and Goats. This is a recovery treatment oil, and I love getting any kind of oils or serums. I usually put these on before I put my moisturizer on. And this is, hold on, let me make sure I'm reading that right. $82. Oh my God. Ooh, this is very pretty. I can definitely tell you. The camera's not doing it justice. In person, it's like this, such a pretty blue color. All right, so let's see. I'm going to put it on my left hand. I'm left-handed, so let's see. I'll rub it in as best as I can with my right hand. I mean, it feels good. I never heard of it. It definitely has a scent to it. I don't like a lot of oils that has a scent to it because that means it has fragrance in it, you know? But I'll definitely try it. Let's read up a little bit. I can't believe $82. Holy cow. Either that or I'm just cheap, you know? Let's see what it says. It says it's an oil treatment, absorbs quickly to nourish skin and help improve appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Definitely need that. Evening Primrose, Oregon, and Jojoba oils help boost hydration. Grapeseed and rosehip oils deliver vitamin C and E to help improve skin tone. Alright, so I'll definitely try it. I'm not knocking that. And last but not least, I do not have this. This is from Tarte. This is the Tortoise Pro Palette. I got in one of their 21 Days of Beauty, I got the Remix palette. So I'm definitely excited to get this one. How much is this? This is $49. So it has a nice mirror. Let me cover up that mirror so I can show you. So that's what it looks like. Very, very pretty. So it looks like it's all matte except for these 4 right here. So I'm just going to swatch just a couple. Let's do some. This blue shimmer is really, really pretty. Might as well do all 4. Did I? There's one of them I missed because I swatched the pink one twice. Let's see. Ooh, this one here is like a duochrome. It's like a brownish blue color. Let me swatch the other one. Okay, so those are the 4 colors. Let me just tell you, they swatch beautiful. All right, Tarte has really good formula, so let's just swatch. I'm only going to pick a few of the mattes, and they feel buttery. Wow. So here is 4 mattes. Let's see. Oh yeah. Wow, they're, look at that black. They are very pigmented. Like, this is a really nice palette. I don't know how it blends, but they swatch amazing. So let's go over everything that we got. Well, at least what you would get if you got version or variation 5. I'll leave like right over here how much the total price came to. So we have the Tortoise Pro Palette, which I'm really excited for. We have this $80-something oil. How much did that puppy say it was? $82 oil. I'm shocked about that. We have a 5-piece brush set. I don't know if I would pay $55, but I'm glad to get in a subscription box. We have this $35 BB cream. I don't know if I would ever pay $35 for a BB cream, but it might be amazing. I don't know. Let me know down below if you have tried it before. We have a mascara from Lily Lashes, which I'm really excited to try. And what else did we get? Oh, we have the Kylie Skin, which I'm glad it came in a subscription box because I wouldn't have purchased this on my own. And then we have the 2 lip pencils. I don't know what happened to the other one, but it was the 2 lip pencils right here. That's really, really pretty. And I'm definitely glad to get that. So that's everything that I got in my BOXYLUXE. I'm overall satisfied with it. I mean, the palette really put it over it. Like, I'm really, really excited. I definitely think I got my $50 worth. Let me know what you think. Do you think that the BOXYLUXE is worth it? If you got it, did you like yours? What did you get? Tell me what variation you got. Oh, this box weighed 2.6 pounds, if you're wondering. And that's everything. So please rate this video. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this BOXYLUXE. If you want to see me continue unboxing this on our channel. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't think it was worth it, or you can care less if I put this on our channel. The only way I can tell if you like this on our channel, if you like the content, if you rate the video. So please make sure you either give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. That is the only way that I will know. And if you enjoy makeup, beauty, unboxings, reviews, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to turn the post notification bell on and make sure you have it on all. That way you'll get notified for all of my future videos and you will be one of the first to be notified for my videos. And also my boxycharm base box will definitely be up tomorrow. It was going to be up today, but I couldn't believe I got my BOXYLUXE. I wanted to get that up first. Alright guys, that is everything. I hope you stay cool, healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, $35? No ma'am. $80-some? No ma'am. But you? Yes ma'am.